Bollywood superstar Ajay Devgan's character in filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli's upcoming magnum opus RRR has been revealed. Like most of the characters in the film, Ajay's role has also been kept under wraps. However, sources have revealed that the 51-year-old will be essaying the role of a nationalist and a mentor to the two leading men, Ram Charan and Junior NTR. Several Bollywood actors were in the race to grab the role, but Ajay Devgan was the unanimous choice for filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli. Ajay appears only in the flashback scenes for a few minutes, but the actor gave his nod for the film soon after he heard the narration for the first time. Kangana Ranaut is said to be one of the highest paid heroines in the Indian film industry, but there was a time when the 33-year-old couldn't even afford to buy a gown to attend an award functions where she was getting an award for her performance in films. She has revealed that she didn't have any money to buy fancy clothes for big events. However, she had a designer friend who used to sponsor her clothes. She claims that even though he was struggling himself, his parents supported him to help Kangana. Bollywood actor Shekhar Suman has formed a forum and is demanding a CBI inquiry into Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Alia Bhatt's mother Soni Razdan has reacted to nepotism controversy and said that those who are ranting about this issue today will support their children if they want to join the industry. After Lal Singh Chaddha, Aamir is expected to move on to the Vikram Vedha remake with Saif Ali Khan after completing Lal Singh Chaddha. Ajay Devgan and Parineeti Chopra starrer Golmaal Again becomes the first Indian film to get a re-release in New Zealand. Rohit Shetty took to his Instagram to share the big news with his fans, and clearly all of them are elated. Sources close to Sushant say director Rajkumar Hirani had got Sushant to agree to do a cameo in the Aamir Khan starrer PK on condition that he would play the lead in Hirani's Next. However, that never happened and Sushant was disappointed with Hirani as well. Janhvi Kapoor's upcoming film Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, has been one of the most talked about and keenly anticipated releases of the year 2020. The film will release directly on OTT platform and Netflix has coughed up 70 crore rupees to acquire the digital rights of the film. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl is estimated to be made at a cost of 25 to 30 crore rupees and producer Karan Johar is likely to earn a profit of 40 crore rupees even without a theatrical release. Actor Robert Pattinson, who plays the lead role in the film Tenet, has opened up about his reaction when he heard the narration. Pattinson has revealed that his blood sugar dropped when he heard the narration for the first time. The actor has revealed that the film's storyline is complicated and cannot be categorized into a particular genre.